Hello friend, welcome to Simple Tech Study. I am Anand. Today we will learn architecture of Selenium, important Java topic required for Selenium. This is a architecture of Selenium graph. Selenium WebDriver enable interact between browser and browser drivers. This architecture consists of four layers, namely the Selenium client library and JSON wire protocols, browser drivers and browsers. Selenium client library consists for a language like Java, Ruby, Python, C#, and so on. After the test case are triggered, entire Selenium code will be converted to JSON format. Selenium supports 14 different coding languages such as Java, C#, Python, etc. These are called as a language binding or client binding. Now, what is a language binding? It is a set of rules, method, interface. Use our own language here that make sense, that define how you can automate a web browsers like Chrome, Firefox, and Safari. This client binding communicate with Selenium server as standalone. Then server perform action on the browser with the help of driver executable. In order to perform action, it use JSON wire protocol, means JavaScript object notation. Selenium server internally contain Selenium Java client binding. Also, in order to perform action, it uses JSON wire protocol, JavaScript object notation. Selenium server internally contains Selenium Java client binding also. Hence, while installing Selenium, we use only server, jar file, and driver executable file. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. It takes up the task of transferring information from the server to the client. JSON Wire Protocol is a primary responsible for a transfer of data between HTTP servers. Generated JSON is made available to browser drivers through HTTP protocols. Each browser has a specific browser driver. Browser drivers interact with its respective browser and execute the command by interpreting JSON which they receive from the browser. As soon as the browser driver get any instruction, they run them on the browser. Then the response is given back to the form of the HTTP response. And the architecture of Selenium binding. If you use Java programming language, you need not to be download the language binding because Selenium already contain the Java client binding. So if you use any other language like Ruby, C#, Python, you have to be download client binding. How to download? I will show you. Open a browser, type selenium.dev/download, enter. Scroll down. Here you can see the Selenium client binding, WebDriver language binding. If you use any other language like Ruby, Python, C#, JavaScript, you have to be download the client binding. You can download or click on download links. If you want to download any language client binding, so here you can download. Now close the browser. Now architecture of Selenium Java binding. The supermost interface is a search context which is executed by WebDriver interface, and WebDriver interface is implemented is a remote WebDriver class, and a remote WebDriver class implementing another implemented other interface. So JavaScript execution and take a screenshot. And next, all the browser specific class such as a Chrome driver, Firefox driver, Internet Explorer, etc. extend remote WebDriver class. Now the supermost interface search context. You can see all the browser specific class such as a Chrome driver, Firefox driver, etc. extend remote WebDriver class. Now important Java topic required for Selenium. This topic You have to know, otherwise you did not able to understand the Selenium. First, class and object, static, non-static method, conditional statement like if and if else, looping statement like while, for each, and OOPS concept like inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation, collect, collection list and set, exception handling method of a string class. If anyone want to any videos on these topics, you can tell me and I will make a video on particular topics. Thank you for watching a video, and please like, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.